Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to install your Rogers Xfinity Indoor-Outdoor camera. Let's go! Your equipment kit includes everything you'll need. Be sure you've downloaded the Rogers Xfinity app and have paired and tested your camera's operation. Watch our video on how to pair your camera to learn more. For indoor installation, you'll also need these tools. For outdoor installation, you'll also need these tools. When choosing where to mount your indoor-outdoor camera, there's a few things to consider. Shelter is good. Porches and overhangs will minimize the effects that weather will have on your camera's operation. Height is preferred. Placing your camera 8 to 10 feet from the ground will provide a good image, but still make sure that your camera is out of reach. Your power adapter isn't weatherproof and must be plugged in indoors. Plugging your power adapter into an outdoor power source, even one that is enclosed, can expose it to weather damage. Your camera needs a good Wi-Fi signal, so the adapter must remain dry and within Wi-Fi range. Consider image quality. Don't point your camera directly at the sun or other bright light sources. Bright lights cause glare and high contrast, making it hard to see what's going on. With all these tips in mind, you're ready to begin installation. To get started, choose your camera's placement and consider what might be hidden behind the wall. Look for fixtures or other indicators of wires and pipes. Be sure to avoid these when choosing where to drill. For wood, vinyl, or aluminum installations, you can use a regular drill fitted with an extra long 5/8" standard drill bit. For brick, concrete, or stucco, use a hammer drill fitted with an extra long 5/8" masonry bit. To prevent moisture from entering your home, drill slowly at a slightly upward angle until you're through the interior wall. Thread the cable through the hole. Plug the cable into the adapter and the adapter into an outlet. Wait for your camera to come online and make sure that you can see the image on the Rogers Xfinity app. When visible, use a pencil to mark the holes of your camera's mounting bracket. Use a 1/8" drill bit if mounting using only the provided screws, or a 1/4" drill bit if mounting using both the provided anchors and screws. Drill your holes and then use a hammer to tap in your anchors. Use the provided screws to securely mount your camera to the wall, and use the Rogers Xfinity app to view your live stream and adjust the angle. Seal the exterior hole with silicone caulking and you're done. Having second thoughts about self-installation? Call us anytime at the number on the screen to schedule a professional installation. That's it. Enjoy greater peace of mind from your monitored home with Rogers Xfinity Self-Protection and the Rogers Xfinity app.